Hi, I want to give a bit of a feedback on what I actually meant by what are you willing to take ownership of the previous question. Like, take ownership, higher tone, and what have you made it that the situation has happened, and what are you resisting? Well, this is not just for you, Tulani, it's also for everyone in the members. It's that anything is, if it's getting amplified, if anything you don't want becoming more and more, that means there is resistance. And resistance, there's a difference between resistance and rejection. If you're rejecting it, you can make fun. You can be playful. If you're resisting it, you become serious. And when you resist, that means I want to resist this book. I want to resist this phone or resist this phone. That means I have to hold it tight, keep thinking about it all the time so that I can make sure I resist it. So when you're always resisting things what you don't want, it will happen more. That's just how it works. And that's why. Now rejection is, I don't want you. You're playful. You are just having fun. You're rejecting the phone. You rejected it. That's it. You don't have to give a reason. You don't have to do anything. You just reject. And it puts you in a poor position of cause. And it makes you in control. Because if you resist, that means something was important and it's not happening, or something was not important and it's been forced on you to become important. So that means something is being, and you're resisting either one or the other, and that makes you lose control. Because the exact point at which you lose control over that particular topic or anything in life is when you cannot make important unimportant, or when you cannot make unimportant important. Get that point. That doesn't mean that you decide to write a blog post, you decide to make a video today and it was important for you and you make it unimportant. That's not what I meant. What I meant is you have decided to go for a goal. You have decided you want to get that particular target acquired in this week's planning. When you have decided that, and anything in the middle which comes and reminds you, oh, last week you were supposed to call someone and wish them for their birthday, or last week you promised someone to meet them, or you promised to do this for somebody else. All of that will come and bounce on you. And that is the open cycles, or that is the distractions, that is the doubt which creeps in that. And those were important at some point. Making those which comes and distract you and question your doubt, and also open cycles. And for then you decide to say, hey, you were important last week, but now I want to make a video, and that's more important than you. I need to answer 20 emails today. I need to do all of that, but you are not important. You were important last week. So I'll keep you aside and I'm going to focus on that. Now that power to make things important, unimportant, unimportant, important is what gives you control. So when you resist, you lose that ability to have control. But when you reject, you have that ability, because when you reject, you're playful. It's fun. It's joy. You can just reject. Well, yeah. So that's my viewpoint, and take a look and see how it works for you. And I'm sending this to you because, hey, of course I love you and I want you to succeed, and I want to share anything that will help you. And let me know how you think. Thank you. Bye.